This is Joe. He wants to work as an accountant, and he applied to over 20 job postings in last couple of weeks using career websites. Today, he is quite unhappy. He received some rejections and some recruiters never got back to him. He is wondering what is going on. Joe's frustration grows as he sees more automated rejection emails. He firmly believes he is qualified and competent. But since there is no chance for him to meet the employer and discuss, he could not convince them to hire him. The advantage of the job leads are obvious. More than 70 to 80% jobs are not posted anywhere, so if someone wants to tap into the hidden job market, networking is the only way to find it out. Moreover, there would be less competition as if you know it. You could be sure that an actual person would review your resume. Job leads usually provides a chain of trust, so you would have better chances to get hired. Also, it would be easy to follow up on your application, as there will be a point of contact between you and the employer. However, finding job leads through networking is not that easy. It requires ongoing personal branding initiatives. Moreover, it takes time to build trust and credibility. Sometimes, it may take 3 to 5 months or even longer before someone shares a job lead with you. Joe is torn between both viewpoints. He supports the idea that one needs to network. But, in regards to the efforts and wait time, he believes there should be an easier way to network. Joe is now networking using LinkedIn.